do it right now.
Alright, welcome to Over the Counter Crypto. I'm your host Eric, and today we got Lalo and we got Hola Strambole. You still doing them TikToks?
TikTok.
Oh, yeah, dropped one yesterday.
Oh, look what I got, you guys. Look what I got. I got a money tree.
What do you mean? Like, is that made out of money?
No, it's a tree, I guess, that's made out of these rocks that's supposed to attract money.
Okay.
Oh, those are cool.
Yeah, supposedly this is fool's gold. That's what it is. So I guess it's supposed to attract
so
money.
It's like the fake gold.
Yeah, it's fake gold, but it's like it gives off those energies to attract money. So I've also heard from, like, I guess Las Brujas, that June is like the best month for like attracting money, like for gambling, play the lotto, investing. Like June is the best month for that to become wealthy.
Damn. I wonder why.
Some brujas don't be lying, G.
So I guess today we're gonna be talking about what's that? You lagging, dude. You're lagging bad. Alright, so today we're gonna be talking about I guess what's going on in the market, the big crash that happened, and are we gonna see more pain, and I guess opportunities that we could see because of this crash. Alright, so let me go to the fear and greed index. Even after this massive crash, we're still not fearful. So we might see more downside possibly, because we're still at neutral. We're not even fearful even after this massive crash. Well, it wasn't really massive, but it was like a 20% crash, something like that.
I mean, to be honest, throughout the whole, what is it, like an entire month, it's kind of been
Sideways.
even.
Yeah.
Doesn't tilt to one side.
Yeah, but now is a decent buying opportunity. Alright, Bitcoin halving clock. Y'all have 308 days, 12 hours, 25 minutes, and 57 seconds to buy some Bitcoin. Time is ticking.
In a year now.
Less than a year.
For sure.
What's going on here? Hold on, give me a sec. What's going on? Am I still... Yeah, it looks like I'm streaming, but I don't know what happened to my thing. Or whatever. I'm not gonna be able to see messages, you guys.
I see him right here.
Yeah, you can see them right there. I'm not gonna be able to see the messages. Something just happened. I got kicked out. Yeah.
I'll have it here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
if we get messages, I'll.
I guess I could see it here. Okay, there. I got it fixed. Okay. Alright, so I was looking at the chart. I know it's a mess. Does this look like a mess to you guys? Alright, so right now a very important level that we have is
for Bitcoin, right?
Yeah, this is for
Bitcoin.
This is Bitcoin. The most important level that we have right now is 25,300. So, as you can see, this yellow line, it's holding there. So do you know what a wick is? Do you guys know what wicks are? Like candle wicks? No? Okay.
Wicks?
Yeah. So when it comes to wicks, this is where, like, either how far it dropped or how far it went up. So right now here, like, this candle dropped all the way down to 25,300, and it got bought right up and they pushed the price up. And same thing here, it went all the way down and there was a lot of buyers in this area and they brought it back up again. So there's a lot of buying pressure right here at this level. There's a lot of buying pressure, and we could see it because of the wicks. So I was also seeing, I guess, the pattern that we had. We had the what's called the head and shoulders right here. So we have this head and shoulders. Yeah, right there. You guys see it?
Yep.
So price predictions for that thing is we go from the top of the head all the way to the base. We bring it down. It will be here at 23,500, which also aligns with the what's called the Fibonacci retracement. So this is like the a most likely scenario that Bitcoin could hit 23,000. We also have this big one, this massive head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulders. So we go from up here, we got our first shoulder, right? And then we go down here for our head, and then we have this one. Y'all see that? So this is an inverse head and shoulders. So this thing, it looks like it's playing out. So if we could sustain this level, because we're retesting, we broke out of this pattern, and now we're retesting. And if we could manage to sustain the 25,500, if this pattern plays out, we could see Bitcoin at 41,000, at 40K.
14 grand more.
Yeah.
How much is it right now? 32.
Right now it's at almost 26K. That's where it's at right now.
That's a pretty good increase.
Yeah. So we pretty much have two patterns that we broke out of. We broke out of this yellow triangle, which was a massive downtrend. We broke out of it. And we also had a inverse head and shoulders that we broke out of. So we have two patterns that we broke out of. So that's what I'm seeing right now. So we could either drop to 2,300, but if we survive that 25,500 level, if we could sustain that, then we tested the support level for the inverse head and shoulders. So this is what I'm talking about. Right now we're testing this blue pattern, this inverse head and shoulders. We're testing it at this yellow line at 25,500. We're retesting it, and if we could survive this, we could see Bitcoin at 40K. I'm not saying it'll happen soon or right away, but that's what we could be heading, and 25K would be our lowest point for Bitcoin from now on. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, like it just won't lower it.
It won't lower more than 25K in theory, right? This is these charts is like, I want to say like 60-70%. So nothing is accurate 100%. So yeah, so that's,
I guess buy Bitcoin. Just gotta buy Bitcoin, man.
Yeah. Oh, speaking about Bitcoin, do you guys know about proxies? No. So pretty much what a proxy is these other companies, they buy Bitcoin, because there's companies that want to invest in Bitcoin but can't. But so there's other companies that buys Bitcoins, so you could invest in their company, and you're, I guess in theory, investing in Bitcoin. So I was watching this one guy. No, hold on.
By investing in their company, you're investing in Bitcoin
Yeah.
in a legal way.
Yeah. So in theory, if you invest in what's called GBTC, you're buying Bitcoin right now at 14K.
What? Why?
Huh?
How? 14?
At 14,000, yeah. You're buying Bitcoin at 14,000 if you invest through these guys. You're buying it at a cheaper level. But keep in mind that when you invest through them, you don't own the Bitcoin, and if they go bankrupt, you lose your investment.
See, there you go. That's the kick for being 14 grand.
Yeah. So there was this one guy that was saying if you want to invest in proxies, only do like 10% of your portfolio in proxies. But you don't own the Bitcoin.
Then what? Then you don't really own anything. I mean, you're just throwing money in the air and seeing if something happens.
Yeah. But it's the same thing with the banks back then. Like you were giving the banks money and they would give you a receipt like here you go, this is how much I owe you. You don't own it, the bank owns it. They're investing the money that you're putting in the banks.
True. They could say the next day, oh, we don't have your shit.
Yeah.
Or like next week.
Miguel, you're all over the place, dude. You're like freezing and then you're good and then you look like what's it called? The one from that movie, The Ring? No, was it The Ring? I forgot what it is.
The fourth kind?
The full kind. There you go.
Oh,
you're getting taken by them aliens, dude.
I'm getting hacked by Somalian pirates.
Damn.
They found me.
Dude, have you seen Ivan on text videos, dude? He's
I've seen those.
He's what?
He's trolling Gary Gensler, dude. It's funny. Oh, it's a dog. Now, let me show you this video. It's pretty funny. Here it goes.
This amazing masterpiece, you will love it. We invite
this is from Ivan on Tech.
A small song.
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists,
You got it?
Ponzi schemes, hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes, hucksters,
Not there yet.
fraudsters,
Not here yet.
scam artists, Ponzi schemes,
I think crypto right now is entering the final boss.
hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes,
This is like the peak dislike for crypto from any official.
hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes,
You cannot put the genie back into the bottle.
hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes,
Hacksters, scammers, frauds. It's crazy, man. Let me pump the beat.
hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes,
There's something about the way he says it. He tries to be.
Alright, that's enough. He's a troll, dude.
No, like what? Yeah, dude, what the did I hate that guy so much? Gary Gensler?
Gary Gensler. They call him Mr. Burns.
Mr. He can't do look like Mr. Burns. He do.
So you know how I guess Gary Gensler's attacking Coinbase and Binance?
Yep.
They are I guess Hong Kong and Dubai is offering Coinbase like I guess sanctuary or like to come open business in their country. So it's possible Coinbase could leave us.
That's crazy.
Yeah. They're gonna make all the crypto businesses leave the US. That's what he's causing.
Yeah, because he wants all the US to go into
Yeah.
BDCs.
Mm-hmm. Here's the article. Hong Kong legislator invites Coinbase to the region despite SEC scrutiny. It says, I hereby offer an invitation to welcome all global virtual asset trading operators, including Coinbase, to come to Hong Kong for applications of official trading platforms and further development plans. Please feel free to approach me, and I am happy to provide any assistance.
I mean, it's cool.
You're cutting off, dude.
Free, they would be able
Oh,
to,
there you go.
we wouldn't be able to know how free they would actually be, like, to do what they need to do to become a crypto organization that's backed by a government that isn't being restricted by the government. So, I mean, it's cool, right? But you would have to see. Like, we would have to see how it goes. I think they should experiment with like a smaller one to see how the Chinese government actually control, like, see if they controls them. What like que no les permite. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Well, Dubai is offering the same position as well.
I trust Dubai more. Because, you know, China's like, okay, I don't like this. Boom, we don't want it. You can't do shit. We're taking everything. Like, you know, it can change like in an instant.
Yeah.
Right? From what I know, right? From the very little information that I do know, right?
Yeah, that government's very controlling.
Yeah.
Do you know who the Winklevoss are? What happened to Miguel? He lagged out.
Thing kept disconnecting. Yeah. He just disconnected.
What up, man? Nice to Oswald. Oswald's like, buy the dip. Buy the dip, man. I'm thinking of buying an altcoin. I'm looking into the Graph, an artificial intelligence one. Since it's way down right now. The all-time low I think is like 5 cents, and right now it's 9 cents. So that's what I'm planning on buying. I'm gonna do a little bit of analysis on that coin. You can see where I'm at.
The DAO?
Oh, what? So
What did
what?
you say? Altcoins or DAO?
Altcoins.
Oh my. Okay, never mind.
Yeah. So do you know who the Winklevoss are?
Nah. Wait. So, I thought those were the twins that that sued Facebook.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, they're the
Oh,
ones.
it is them. Oh, all right.
Yeah, they sued Facebook, and they invested in Bitcoin, and then they became billionaires. So they are the creators of Gemini. They there's a good book about them. It's called the Bitcoin Billionaires. I recommend that book. It's actually pretty good, and you get to know the history of all the bullshit that Bitcoin went through. And you see, like, okay, if Bitcoin could survive this, what's going on right now is nothing compared to what Bitcoin went through back then. It gives you like more perspective of all the burdens and all the things that Bitcoin had to endure. It's security. It's a security. Oh, he's talking about the Graph. Is it really? Is the Graph really a security? Or considered a security by the SEC?
What Graph?
I was saying that well, I'm assuming it's the Graph because that's what I was talking about, that it's a security. So yeah, so the Winklevoss are saying that the Democrats are hurting the crypto. Just kind of the same thing that we were saying, that these companies are probably gonna go overseas if the Democrats keep attacking crypto. Oh, I was saying it's a question. So according to that guy from Invest Answers, he only invests in stuff that's gonna be most likely not a security, and he was actually thinking of investing in the Graph because he believes it's not a security. Same thing with Solana. He only touches things that are most likely not gonna be a security. So the main thing that he has touched was Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. And then he was kind of
security where? Here in the US or here outside of the US?
Here in the US. So pretty much anything that's a security, the SEC can go after and bring it down.
Or they could just decide it's a security.
Yeah.
Because that's exactly what they did.
Yeah.
A couple months ago, it was just FTX. Now it's like over 50 coins. So this dude could just decide. The clown over here, Mr. Gary Gensler, he could just decide, oh, this is this coin and this, and this other project, they're all security.
That's pretty much what he's doing. That's the whole thing with. He said, oh, it's a security, and now XRP is fighting back, and there's been a whole case going on for 2 years now. So now there's a bunch of people now suing the SEC because of that reason. So we'll see what happens, but yeah, there's a lot of things going on. A lot of people are starting to fight back. All these crypto companies, they're starting to fight back. I think Binance.us is also gonna start fighting back as well. And I think I seen somewhere Charles Hoskinson is trying to align with XRP and fight against the SEC as well because of this whole security thing.
What I see now that like the NBA has the Coinbase logo in their finals, like in the games, which I didn't even know. It has it like on the side of the basket. It has like a giant Coinbase. I was like, what the hell? So
that's pretty cool.
But that's pretty cool.
Do you know about the Twitter
isn't
hacks?
Isn't Gary Gensler going for Coinbase as well?
Yeah. It's like, what do you think is gonna happen if they end up winning? Coinbase is just gonna go to Dubai or Hong Kong. It's like,
Coinbase. And what's the biggest one we have? What's the biggest?
Coinbase.
I think we're like the platform that we can buy. Coinbase is the biggest one.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's either Coinbase or Gemini. Let me see. Crypto exchanges. So these are the biggest. These are the biggest ones. Coinbase.
See, I also just mentioned the shit that I was mentioning in Serato.
What does he say? I just Satoshi needs to show up to court. Oh yeah, I don't know anything about that. What's going on with this whole Satoshi needs to show up on court? This is the first time I hear about this.
I think he got a court order, but I don't remember if I sent. I don't think I sent it. I don't remember sending it. Let me see if I can find it.
Hey Oswald, check out my tree though. Check out my money tree. Is it on the Twitter thing? The whole Satoshi Nakamoto having to show up on court?
Yes, it should have been there. I don't know. You can look it up on Explorer. Just look up Explorer.
Okay, we got FBI Director Christopher Wray has finally turned over the key document alleging Joe Biden was involved in bribery. What's this? 10 U.S. states take legal action against Coinbase for violating securities law. Are you serious? So now states are attacking it as well?
And then notice how most of these are democratic states.
Yeah. That sucks, dude. That sucks. Oh, and here's the thing that you were talking about, right? The whole kick thing.
Yeah.
That we could stream and get paid in crypto.
Paid hourly by crypto.
That's pretty cool. I'm actually down for that. We should do some crypto game content. We should play some Gala games and stream those.
That sandbox shit we were showing.
Show me the you still the money tree. I don't know how big of a lag it is from you to me. You still the money tree. It's supposed to be fool's gold. Yeah, I'm gonna look into this whole kick thing. And so let's see. The SEC is showing its cards, and Gary Gensler doesn't believe crypto in America should exist at all. Yeah, he's pretty much trying to kill it and put in the CBDCs. And then we got the whole Robinhood delisting. What is it? Solana, Polygon, and Cardano. I guess that's one of the main reasons these coins like dropped.
That one, the Gary Gensler one, is like an entire thread of information.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. That Gary.
The Mr. Burns.
Go. Mr. Burns. See this. Here.
I think I lost it. Where is it at?
Nice.
Show, is it this one?
Yeah, show thread. There we go. Now you just scroll up.
Oh, there's a lot of information. Yesterday, the SEC sued Binance. Coinbase, Binance, Gary Gensler. This is a troll. Yeah, that's pretty much what happened to yesterday at 5 in the morning. Oh, do you know the whole whale games that's going on right now? They're saying there's whale games going on.
The whale
games. Do you know what a whale is?
Person who bets a shit ton of money.
Yeah,
that's a lot of money.
They have a lot of money, so pretty much at 5 o'clock they dumped a lot of money at 5 in the morning all at once. So there's some type of manipulation going on. So they're scaring people into selling their crypto. They're scaring them. So now once the price drops, they're gonna re-enter and buy and scoop everything up. I was just like, it's a fish. You're a troll, G. So you got Brian Armstrong regarding the SEC complaint against us today. We're proud to represent the industry in court to finally get some clarity around crypto rules. So yeah. Oh, I wasn't even showing it. My bad, you guys.
Is this the Coinbase guy?
Yeah. So yeah, Brian Armstrong is the Coinbase guy. So he's gonna be fighting back. Yeah, here he is talking about who needs Bitcoin when we've got those sweet, scarce, censorship-resistant digital dollars. Oh wait, but yeah. Where are the messages? What other thing did you send me? We got. What's this thing that he's talking about? The Vitalik. Reshape Ethereum, but also threaten the network's health. I don't know. I'm kind of losing faith in Ethereum. I'm not. Like, I know Ethereum is the biggest one, but the fact that
I mean, we don't have to read it if you don't want. This one's really not that interesting. I think the other one was more interesting because it had to do with Gary Gensler.
Mm-hmm.
Because I agree with ETH and MetaMask and Chase being involved. This is just a whole lot of I don't want to even.
Yeah.
Like the farther away, the better.
Oh, here's the thing that you were talking about. These are all the tokens that have been clearly identified as securities by the US SEC. So we got Solana, Cardano, Matic, Fio, Algorand. Yeah, this sucks.
Sorry, Meta, Gala. Is that Gala?
Where's Gala at? I hope not. I like Gala.
At the bottom, is that the Gala?
No,
is that Gala? Or?
No, that's not Gala.
They got Dash, BGA. I mean, I don't even know. Most of these are like only the Solana, ADA, XRP.
Yeah, but like these are decentralized, so they can't really go after them. They're just attacking them. What, Gary?
They're trying to see what they can do. Then they're trying to see what they.
They're just attacking them, but they can't really prove anything. That's why this whole case with.
They're just trying to see what.
Yeah, like that's why this whole case with the XRP lawsuit is very important and why they have to win. But yeah, this is one of the major reasons why these coins are tanking, because of this whole SEC, and they're manipulating the market. And you know what's crazy? Gary Gensler shorted crypto. I think he shorted Bitcoin before his announcement. So he's doing some type of market manipulation, and that's illegal.
Yeah. It's down there. Oh, bro, dude, you went all the way back from last year's messages.
Did I?
That's December 14th. That's when Kevin O'Leary and FTX were going. I said, yeah, Robinhood listed Cardano, Polygon, and Solana.
Yeah, I guess these are the major reasons why, like, a lot of these coins. What is also saying? So basically, these coins are too risky for the American public. The SEC, it trying to protect you as an investor. Yeah, I guess.
The SEC's trying. Huh?
I really need to put this monitor up here so I could read those messages.
Well, and you see what's happening, what's trending on Gary Gensler.
What's trending on Gary Gensler?
No, it's just his name right there. You can see like the live tweets that on the
What's happening? Oh,
right side. You click on that, and you see live tweets of the people that are saying what they're saying about Gary Gensler.
he said, "I'm old enough to remember when Gary Gensler showed altcoins and blockchain technology." Yeah, he's manipulating this market.
He's such I don't even want to use. I don't want to like keep cursing, but he's not a good human. He's doing bad things, man.
Yeah.
It's not a. What he's doing to Bitcoin, what he's doing to coins, and just to crypto in general is just as bad as what that other girl was doing. That old lady. What's her name? Elizabeth Warren.
Oh yeah.
The senator. It's just as bad.
Oswald, this is what I'm talking about for the graph that I'm looking at. So we got a flag right here. And usually these flags, when they break out, you go from the bottom all the way to the top. And if it breaks out here, we could see the graph at 50 cents. And then I'm also seeing a cup and handle. It's a corroded cup and handle, but right here like that. Or even like that. Or even like that. there's a bunch of different ways to see this. And then we got the other one right here. And if this breaks out, we could see it at 50 cents as well. So that's a 5x return. That is a 5x return on the graph for a AI project. I'm gonna be putting money in this one. Oh, I didn't finish talking about the whole hacking on Twitter.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Yeah, I was also saying, yeah, we get more coins for the cheap. Yep, that's exactly what I'm doing. Yes, we got scammers, nearly 1 million of hijacking 8 prominent crypto Twitter accounts. I know BitBoy Crypto got hacked. His Twitter got hacked, and the hacker is
No way.
is shilling coins, and they're putting false links. They're trying to rob people. Yeah, so Ben from BitBoy Crypto he put out a warning saying that his Twitter got hacked, and apparently a bunch of these Twitter accounts got hacked. So y'all be careful out there. Don't be clicking links. You're not gonna get free crypto. Don't click on these links. They're all scams.
I'm not trying to be friendly. Do not click on any link that you don't know who it is from.
Yeah.
Especially if they don't have a profile or any pictures that. If it says made in June 2022 or June 2023, it's probably not an actual person.
So yeah, that's all I got. Alright. So let's check how
I'm
our
gonna look into that.
Just
to let you know, I'm gonna look up into that kick shit.
Oh, okay.
Just make an account there and so we can.
Let's see how Miguel's doing. So Miguel, he is at 1,200.
Showing on screen.
Huh?
Hold on. Or is it It's
like a bit laggy, yes.
Okay, yeah, never mind. Okay, like
So 1,200 for Miguel. I am at 1,363. And Lalo is at 1,300.
God damn. Oh, because the fucking Pepe coin, man.
Oh, the Pepe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I even invested.
How much did you put? Like 20 bucks in Pepe? No.
Yeah, fucking polka dot también.
Yeah, so your Pepe is now worth $6. Yeah. If for meme coin plays, you need to buy meme coins before the hype. If everybody's hyping it, it's probably too late. That's how you play the meme coin game. You gotta it's a gamble. You have to purchase it before it's a thing, before it's hype. Once it's hype, you're pretty much buying at the top and it's gonna sell. So that's how meme coins work usually. It's the Oslo. Free airdrops. Click. Pepe. Alright, so what do you want to put in today?
Just Bitcoin.
Bitcoin? Alright, I'm gonna take advantage of this drop. And I'm gonna go all in on 70 on the graph. And I guess for Miguel I'll do 70 as well.
So that's
what's that?
For Miguel, bit or graph? You're going Bitcoin or graph for Miguel?
Bitcoin. So that's all you got. You guys. Any comments, concerns? Is it just I just buy the tops. Yeah, buy the tops and sell the lows. Alright, you guys. We out. Let me try to put this ending. See if I could get it to work. Here goes. Yeah. But I have my face.